Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study about punctuation. Firstly, we will study about capital letter and full stop. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. My dear students, you always have to keep this in mind that whenever we start writing any sentence, the first letter of the first word of that sentence will be capital. And when we end the sentence, we need to put a full stop. Now, let us see an example. The girl is sleeping. Now, can you notice the beginning of the sentence? Yes, the first letter of the first word is written as capital letter. And as we ended the sentence, we put a full stop. Now, let us see few more examples. My mother is cooking food. The dog is barking. As you can see, in these sentences also, we have written the first letter of the first word as capital. And we ended the sentence with a full stop. The pronoun I is written in a capital letter wherever it appears. Let us see an example. Sohan and I like flowers. Children, here though I is in the middle of the sentence, but it should be written as capital letter always. Let us see few more examples. Sana and I are going to school. Raman and I are playing chess. In these sentences also, I is written as capital letter. The name of a person or place always begin with a capital letter. Let us see an example. She gave food to Rahul. Here, Rahul is a name of a person. So the first letter of the name of a person is written as capital letter. Let us see few more examples. My name is Vedika. Children, here Vedika is a name of a person. So, the first letter of the name of a person is always written as a capital letter. So, we have written V capital. My grandmother lives in Agra. Here, Agra is a name of a place. So, the first letter of the name of a place is also written as capital letter. So, we have written A as capital. Question mark. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. Let us see an example. What are you eating, Johnny? Children, this is a question. Can you notice the symbol used at the end of the sentence? Yes, it is called a question mark. Let us see few more examples. How old are you? What are you doing? These sentences are also questions. So at the end of these sentences, we have put a question mark. Comma. Comma is used to separate three or more words in a list. Let us see an example. My favorite fruits are mango, grapes, and strawberry. Here, there are three items in a list. So we used a comma for separating them. After mango, we used a comma. Let us see few more examples. Bhumi, Akshita, Zoya, and Amnika are playing in the park. My mother gifted me a doll, a book, a dress, and a bicycle on my birthday. As you can see here, there are more than three items in a list. So here also we used comma for separating them. Thus we can say that comma is used to separate three or more items in a list. Children, I hope now you all have understood how to use punctuation marks. So here is your homework. In your grammar book, you will do page number 50, 51 and 52. Thank you.